What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to measure, cut and install the trim. I'm going to install that trim on here. Let's do it. If this is the first time you visit our channel, so make sure subscribe and hit the bell notifications for the next video. So we're going to measure from here all the way to the top. So to the bottom corner we're gonna measure and know what is that. So I already measured and I made the mark in the trim. So I'm gonna put the trim back here on the place I like it to test it before I cut it. So you see that's my mark. So and I'm gonna know, so I have to cut that way. So it's 45 degree that way. So I'm gonna go back to the shop and cut that 45 degree that way, and I'll be back here. Let's do it. So this is the best tool to cut the trim. If you want to cut it for your first time, that's the best tool. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you want to check it out. So I cut the piece, just I want to make a sample first. I cut it to make sure it's gonna fit perfect. Alrighty, this is the piece we cut it. So it's match perfecto. So actually it's become good. So you see that gap? So you can fill that gap with the wood patch or caulking, whatever is more accessible for you. So don't worry about that. So everyone fill that with the some kind of filler. So as you see the other side, I'm gonna show you now. If the camera moves that way, go. Okay, here you see they already did the same things, and that's normal. So this is the long piece I just cut it. It's perfect. Like I said, you have to measure it good. If you measure good, you're good. And be careful it doesn't fall in your head. So I'm gonna use the nail gun, finish gun, to nail that to the wall. Actually it has a piece of wood behind that, so we're gonna nail it to that. Let's do it. There you go, it's done. I just need to patch those area. So as we put the nail and those gap with the wood filler or caulking. So and after that sand it and paint it. So make sure subscribe our channel. I will show you how to fix the problem around your home, and have a great day.